In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the self timer on the DragonTouch Vision 3 Pro. So we're going to come back here. We're going to go to the settings. And then when you open up the first setting page, at the top it's the camera information. So what we want to do is slide down and we're going to see self timer. Then we're going to click that. Right now it's off. But you've got to decide how many seconds you want. You can do 3 seconds, you can do 5 seconds, you can do 10 seconds, you can do 20 seconds. But I would say, do you need more than 3 seconds? Let's just do 3 seconds for this, for right now. And then when we want to get out of it, we'll click here. And then we can go here and we can go to self timer. And then now we can go ahead and try doing a photo. And we're going to count it off for 3 seconds. You ready? 1001, and then it takes the picture at 3. All right, so let's take a look at it, right? All we got to do is go here, and bam, Bob's your uncle. So we've got it set for a 3-second delay. So let's click that. Let's confirm it because I don't really want that picture in there. And let's go back. And there we're on the self timer, and we're shooting the highest resolution, which is what we want to do. And let's go ahead and get out of that. Let's go back to video. And bam, that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use the DragonTouch Vision 3 Pro. Peace out.